Hello friends, how are you? As I'm giving you the lectures about English language, that you should listen the English language videos, the lectures of different people. And today I will talk about the daily routines of our life. Whatever I'm doing on daily basis, I will share with you, and you also share your daily routine work below in comment box, that what are your daily activities. So in this way, when you will listen the videos or watch the videos of daily routine life, you will come to know the different new words. I was busy in my previous days, and still I am busy in delivering some health related cards. You know that in underdeveloped countries there are different kind of NGOs who are doing their work for the survival of human beings, because there the people are too much suffered due to poverty, due to lack of facilities. Whenever you visit in rural or backward areas, you will find a lot of problems. The living standard of people are very low. I also visit in different villages, and whenever I see people, the villages, they are in too much problems in regard their livelihood. Their living styles is not good because they are poor, and they are eligible, they want to work, but they are not finding the proper job or proper work, because in such kind of countries, in poor countries, you know that people get a job very hardly, and not on the basis of their eligibility, but on the basis of bribery, and on the basis of recommendation by some big politicians. In this way, I think that people do not get the education, because education is very costly in such kind of areas. People are not able to pay the fees of their children, and I think I will give the suggestions to the governments of poor countries, that I think that education should be the free. Give your people the education free. When you will give education to the people free, they will become the good citizens of your society, and they will be able to do lot of better things for your country. Otherwise, most of the parents do not send their children to schools because they cannot afford their fees. Even there are two kind of schools, in our society, in poor countries. There are some government schools, and there are some private schools. Private schools don't have the good buildings instead of government schools. Government schools have good buildings, but their staff is not good. You know that they do not teach children in proper way. They know that they will get the salary after 1 month, so they do not pay too much attention towards the upbringing of children. Even they send their own children to private institutes. From this you can note that they understand that private institutes are giving the better education than the government institutions. A government teacher gets good amount of salary instead of a private. If a private teacher gets 10,000, the government teacher is getting 1 lakh rupees, but he is delivering nothing. The private teacher is delivering lot. This is the phenomena in our society. So I think that government should make some laws. I am not against government schools or private schools. Both are good. Both are, but there are some problems with each other. That without facilities, the private schools are giving the good result, but having the facilities, the government schools are not giving good result. Why is this? Because government is not, I think, patronizing their staff or their teachers. If they are, I think that those teachers should be punished who do not give the proper result by the government. Government should make laws for the government teachers. But you know that there are the relations with the education officers, with secretaries of the governments, and whenever any complaint comes, nothing will that complaint. That complaint remain unresolved because a low level teachers has high level contacts with the government. So government is doing nothing. There are the lot of problems of the government. I have seen that the poor countries governments are not legible. They are doing the fast things, lot of fast thing. They are not giving the jobs to right people. They are giving the jobs just on the basis of their political campaigns. They keep in mind the next election, that if we give this person job, this will be our candidate, or this will be our good worker in next election. So they see in their mind the elections. This is the problem, that we are not creating the good citizens. We are creating the bad citizens. When there are bad citizens, the system of the country will be destroyed. And there will be tension within the country. When there is tension within the country, the other countries can easily took over or take over your country. So I think that government should mend their policies, make the new laws to improve the work of their institutions. All the institutions of governments, there is bribery, there is a recommendation culture. They are not providing best facilities to their citizens, and there are some flattering kind of people. Those gets jobs, those gets the benefits from the governments, but the real people are ignored. Why the real people are ignored? This is the problem of the system. In poor countries, the system is not good. When there is the not good system, how can we expect that the standard of people living will be good? So I think that I have covered lot of things in this video. I was talking about some other subject, but in flow I have gone in different on different topics, and those are I think that these topics are very informative, and you have gained information from these topics. And if you by chance or by luck get in future any kind of chance to deal the government, then I think that you should do better for the people of your country, poor people. Because when the poor people will not get the education, those children will become the bad citizens of the society. They will do the quarreling, they will do the theft, they will become the thief, they will become the fraudulent kind of people. Because when they don't have any kind of the upbringing in their mind, then probably they will go toward the wrong side. So if we want to make our society better for living, we should mend our law, and we should do better for the people of our country, especially for those who are poor people. And this is the responsibility of the rich people, that establish, if you have the money, God has given you the money, and you are prosperous, then you should do some things for the betterment of the poor people. Don't ignore them. Some people ignore them, that if we provide them the facilities, they will be up from us. And no, nothing. There is the fair and unfair kind of people. Those who are the fair are fair in poor conditions, are fair in rich condition. Those who are the unfair are unfair in poor condition, are unfair in rich conditions. In both conditions they are unfair. In both the conditions they are fair. So search the fair people of the society, whether they are poor or rich. Support them, encourage them. Whatever the talent they have, you should support them, encourage them. First of all, look in your relatives, the people of talent. Support them in their talent. They will grow. They will become the good citizens of your society, and you will be feel the pride. And if you think that I am rich, I should not support others. If I support others, they will become more rich than me. Then this is the wealth is from God, not by your hard work. Hard work is necessary, but wealth is by luck. When you are lucky, when you get extra money, this is due to God kindness. By hard work, you will get only money that will be enough for your livings. But when you get the extra money, that is actually, probably, surely with the God kindness. Without the God kindness, you are not able to achieve the wealth, the big amount of wealth. Hope you find this video useful. Please hit the like button, subscribe this channel, and allow me give your positive feedback below in comment box. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.